In this video, we will take a brief look at the Explorer box. Now, the Explorer box allows us to display web pages, file directories, or even a file on the canvas itself. So let's first of all drag in an Explorer box onto the canvas. In the configuration window, we can include a URL to the respective web page, directory, or file. So here, I will put a path to the Alteryx directory, which for me is my C drive, then program files, followed by Alteryx. When we click back on the canvas, you can see the directory appear. Now we can use this directory as we would in any usual scenario. So we can double click on a file in the directory and it will open up in the default program of that specific file. Now we are also able to hide the address bar that you can see at the top here with the second configuration option if you wish to do so. Simply check this box here. Now in terms of specific file types that can be displayed, this is available for HTML files, PDF, text, and XML files. So using the Explorer box is a nice way of being able to see that file structures are as you expect them before running a workflow, and can also act as a nice shortcut to access files directly from the canvas, as opposed to opening up new windows and programs, keeping things nice and neat.